just got a call for a door. He said it fell off the track, but he probably hit it. A lot of people are embarrassed to say they hit their door, but anyway, I'm heading out there now, and I'll get back to you guys when I get to the job. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? Do you want me to move my car?
No, it's fine.
Sure, okay.
I'm good.
All right.
So do you know how it happened?
No, it was just we were putting it down,
Uh-huh.
and then it popped back up, and we didn't know why it wasn't closing, and then we came and looked and saw that this.
Did we hang the opener?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like we've been here.
Yeah, but this one just popped off the track over here.
Yeah, it's really the cable up in there. You see it?
Oh,
it's
yeah,
all
yeah,
tangled up. So it's actually it looks easy, but it's kind of hard because they're all tied in with these big springs.
Oh, got
and they're all loaded, and this cable's still on. So you got tension pulling on this side and not tension on that side.
Yeah, because
So-
it kind of looks like it's like shifted like that way, sort of.
Yeah, so
yeah.
I mean, I could do it. You're probably looking at it somewhere in the 500 range.
Okay.
So,
I mean, we have to get it fixed.
yeah. All right.
We can't have our garage open.
Yeah.
over the
Normally
next
when
few
they come
days.
off when they're down, they're a little easier, but this one being up.
Yeah, it's a little trickier.
Yeah, you got to work with it.
Yeah.
In that position. And there's tension on this side. That's why.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. I'll go ahead and.
Yeah. Let me know if you need anything.
Thanks.
Okay.
All right. Okay. It's been about 5 minutes, and we're almost done. We got the door down. That cable's back on. Is that cable wrapping right?
Yeah.
And then you see how over here it's off the ground a little bit. So we're not able to get it perfect in the up position, but what we're gonna do, it's called mustaching the door. I'm gonna show you guys how to mustache a door. We're gonna loosen this drum, and we're gonna want this door to fall down on its own. We got a vice grip on the other side. So I got a mark on the door, and then you loosen a little bit at a time. No gap on the bottom all the way across because I mushed the door. And we'll see how it looks here. I need that tape measure again, which is right here. Now we're going to measure over here. Let's measure the top of the door down, because sometimes it's comes up a little. And we're at 7.5. And then we're going to come over here, measure the top of this side of the door down to the splice here. See the splice? Yeah, you're right around 7.5. See that up there? So you're measuring to this splice where the vertical meets the horizontal. And then you're pretty good. You got both cables pulling evenly. And then when you lift the door up, you want to lift it and kind of shuffle it back and forth so it sits where it's supposed to. Look at that. This door rides like a Cadillac. A Cadillac. Right here, got some issues going on with it. Let's check. You got up there the gap in the door opening. Looks pretty good. You got the gap over here. See, I didn't really touch the springs. Oh, you got the roller coming out over here. So that's an issue there. That could be the reason.
Yeah, I think that's how my husband had your number.
Yeah.
On something?
Yeah, well, there's a sticker there, but
Yeah.
we put a new one up.
Oh yeah, perfect.
The red one was coming off. And then this is yours, and you should be good. You know, the Christmas lights, you might want to, I don't know if it could have been that, but it was probably that roller came out.
Yeah.
And then it got crooked, and then it caused it to come out of the track, and then that cable pop got held up.
Yeah.
But it could be, because you got a wire going through right here. Mm-hmm. Someone ran it through the track, for I guess for the Christmas lights. And then you got the.
I don't know.
Yeah, this was actually on top of the camera too, so it might have got caught there.
Yeah.
So I just make sure everything's tight and away. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's it.
Great. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
All right. Bye. Okay. This is what I got on a little reset cable. Took me about 20 minutes. Changed the bottom roller too. It was a long stem roller because whoever put the door in, they put the track in a little wide on one side. And that could have been the reason it popped out of the track and it caused the cable to come off. It got kind of caught up in there. So anyway, $528, one roller, 20 minutes worth of work. and they're very happy. It was very easy. But anyway, you might as well get into it. What are you waiting for? 30 to 60 days, you're gonna be making great money for any little thing you do. All you gotta do is know the formula of garage doors, basically, and know what to say when you go out there, and that all matters. That's 50% of it. So, and that's why we get checks, and you don't just go out there and do a job real fast and run away. Then they'll think they were ripped off. You got to explain things out. You got to become their friends when you get there. You got to become their trusted garage door guy. And once you are, you're in like Flynn forever. Anyway, good luck to you out there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.